We'll go with that.
Alright. So what I want you to do is stream on Discord.
Just a sec. Still setting everything up. Bro. Yeah, I was doing math just before this. I was like, it's like 5 minutes before it should go live. Go live. So, yeah. Yes. But I feel way better, so that's really nice.
Yes. It's very nice, very nice.
Okay, let's see. I think we got everything. Am I live on everything? I sure hope I am.
I haven't gotten the notification.
It does say I'm live on
Yet.
YouTube, Twitch. Kick doesn't tell me shit.
Privately or?
No, publicly. So everything should be up and running. If it's not, well then we'll have small problems. Let's see, I'm fixing the chats on the other side of my monitor. Let's see, what is this? Okay, let's see. I'm also boiling some water so I can get my final dose of medicine, right?
You are the medicine.
I am. I'm the cure for my own sickness. Alright.
Alrighty, I got a notification and this means I will ping plong bingo.
Alright. Sounds good. I will put
Stream.
Yeah, don't worry about it. We're putting on Iris. Wait, what?
Iris? We're putting on our irises?
Yes.
Irises.
Iris Jam. Bam.
His jam?
Yeah, his music.
How musical.
Yes. There. Okay. Check. Test. It should be on. Hell yeah. Alright, so welcome everybody. Whoever is
stream, god damn it. Or else I will kill you. I will rehabilitate myself.
Alright. There. Streaming.
Alright. Okay, don't open up Mirror, bro. Open up your VS Code.
VS Code? I don't do VS Code.
You do VS Code.
Nah. Do I get full?
No.
Just,
I want you. No. Okay, bro. I want.
Hello, penguin operator.
I don't do anything. Just run dash. Do sig build. Run dash server. Actually, you got to change a thing. Yeah, wait. You gotta change the build.sig because you're not even compiling the client currently.
Yeah, I'm not compiling the client. Let me just...
Yes, I want you to change that.
Okay.
Yes, and it's like at the top basically. Yes. Now you run it on the left here. You do the same thing you do with the server.
It runs the client.
Okay, and now you and now you try running it with the client instead.
That runs the client.
Okay, because I want you to look at my screen now. Yes. Right, I'm doing some keyboard stuff anyways. Projects, Lucas, Planetary Sigma. Like you're a project, that's why you're in there. You're my AI project.
I am AI.
So you see we're on the file watcher, and if we uncomment that, boop, we do sig build run client.
It says client.
It runs the client. Yes, and if I do the server, it says
client. Exactly.
Oh, wait a minute. This. What? No, this worked before. Bro. Bro, no, bro. This shit worked. God damn it. Let's sig build run. No, what? This worked before though. What?
Did you forget to take your
What?
pills
No,
this morning?
bro, I swear. No, bro, I swear the shit ran. No, it worked. Bro, before it worked. Hold on.
All right, wait.
Remove.
I will go grab my
Wait.
medicine real quick, so you can't mess around with that in a while for a while.
Guys, hear me out. I think it might be because we named both the executables server for some reason. I don't know. I'm not buying that. All right, server. Okay, so that was the problem. All right. I'm dumb as a rock. Clients. Yes. But that doesn't make sense, like at all. But all right. God damn it. God damn it. And like I made this nice PR over here. I don't actually want this as a bookmark. Because this thing was not very good. It was funny though because it's from a YouTube video. Anyways, you see, bro, I made this PR. God damn it! I even wrote a message here. I know, it's fantastic. I basically just made every single one of our build. All right, Lucas, hear me out. The only problem was that for some dumbass had changed so the client executable was called server. Yeah, that's the only thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you see this works.
Okay.
Client, server.
Okay, make.
Client.
But then we don't need
server.
separate build scripts.
Well, we don't need to, but I'm not gonna. It kinda look nicer. But I mean, you choose. You can look at my PR, see if you like it or not. But you can also look at my screen here. You see, this is basically the new structure. But I mean, you do what you want.
Wait, so you have a build inside of... in all of the folders you have a build for the shared as well.
Yeah. And shared has like... Well, shared is very minimal. It's like this.
Yeah, well...
And it also has a son, and basically the other things like the server depends on the shared through the path. Yeah.
Interesting, okay.
But I mean, I guess the only issue was that some dumbass changed so that the client executable was called server. So yeah.
Oh,
Greenify. Infinity green.
Yeah, we don't... oh my god, what's going on? I'll stop that. Okay.
Yes. Infinity green.
But, it just makes it worse. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the side then. Try to take up. Sigmaster, what's up? I got my wait, can you guys see? Yeah, I guess you can see.
Wait.
I got my
Yes,
Baby
we
Yoda
we can't
coffee
see.
mug. It's actually just...
I can see actually.
It's actually just medicine there right now. But it's a good medicine. Alright.
It's cocaine.
It's cocaine. No.
Is this cocaine in a mug?
But I don't know if that's literally the only problem. I think one build file is still easier to use than separate for every one of them.
Yeah, bro, you change it out. Yes, just change it out.
Did you do anything else cool in this commit?
Name? No.
Damn. Could you change the PR
No.
to just take... You didn't do anything cool in this thing besides that? Aww.
Nah, bro, you can do this shit yourself. Just decline my PR. Just decline it and say like, no, you, Mr. Harold, were so smart to realize that the server executable, I mean the client executable was called server.
Request changes? I ain't doing
it. Not shame.
No.
Yeah, bro, just write some garbage. No. Okay. You know, PRs aren't just so we talk, you know. They're also so other people can read them and understand what's happening.
Okay, well, but
sure, buddy.
We changed the name instead. Very smart.
Yeah, which fixed it. Credits to Harold. Credits to Harold.
Wait, there's no smart
Credits to
emojis. Is
Harold.
there a nerd emoji? Yes.
There is, yeah. Credits to Harold. No, no. Oh, that's not saying not a third message, bro. Hey. Alright, you can also delete the branch. It's just in a restructure branch.
Delete branch, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you're sick. Open up. FBI, get well tags. Yeah, no, I think I'm feeling a lot better than I did yesterday. It's crazy how much better I feel. I have still slept the major part of the day, so. But I think tomorrow I will be ready for school and everything again. It's just I didn't feel like a weak gremlin walking around in my apartment this morning when I kind of went up to grab something to eat. So, yeah, that's nice.
But you're a gremlin.
But I'm not a weak one, okay?
Oh no, you're a very weak one.
Wait, server executable is called server. Where's the client? Oh. But should it be called just client? Like so? Is that good? I probably need to remove the
Yes.
sig out.
Probably not, but
It's just cleaner. Shut up. I will also delete the cache.
yeah, that's a bit of nah moments.
No, okay, not then. So build server. Okay, and build client. Ah, hell yeah. I was sick for 5 days. Yeah, I've been sick this whole weekend basically. From Friday until, well, today is still Monday, 4 days-ish. The flu was so strong that other people are still sick. Yeah, the flu is strong. Fuck the flu.
The flu was so strong because T-Chef infected Lucas.
Yeah, I mean, I literally, that's T-Chef's fault. He spoke so much on the call.
Yeah.
And then I just got sick. That's
Yeah.
fucking guy.
Exactly, like he was in the VC while being sick, and now you got sick.
Yeah,
Damn,
I mean, it's
bro.
a total logical conclusion. Am I right? Fuck that guy.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. How should we change this thing kind of like to be a little bit cleaner? Should I do a separate thread that does this checking? I think that would be cool.
I don't know.
Even though it's like, it's not really, right now there's not a big problem with it. Let's see if I go to systems of the server. And then I go in here and we run the program. Not the client, of course, we'll run the server. And I can server, like so. And then I change it to be plus equals delta time, and then I'm not running the compiling it. But I think sig build should be enough for it to trigger a... Do you have to be more specific, sig build server? Why doesn't it... If I do build dash dash watch, it will understand to do the change. But wait, I need to trigger it. My bad. Wait, let me try... I feel like that should be enough for it to register a change. Let's see. Okay, now it's... But it took the... What the fuck? Sig build. Interesting. Why doesn't it register... If I do dash dash watch... And I don't have to do this, but still. It's pretty fast, but I guess that's not... There's not so much to be initialized, but... I kind of want to be able to... Anyways, let's quickly take a look at... I think... Was there anything else that happened today? I think the render is coming quite good along. Cheesecake got the triangle and everything there. Lorenzo is also working on a new thing. It's pretty cool. I need to quickly also just make sure that everything is up to date on these things, because otherwise, yeah, well. Let's see, there. Lensro is doing the Wasm modding kind of thing, which is pretty cool, I think. I don't know about their nest, I haven't gotten to talk with him in a while. What he's up to, but yeah. Let's see. It's kind of hard to do something else because we kind of need to see something in order to progress. Is Cheesecake here? No, Cheesecake is not here. Crazy. I will ask what is it? How is the renderer from okay. And while Cheesecake is responding to that message, I was thinking to probably get. I need to get a new GPU, right? I think. Let's see. I think I should get a new GPU. Wait, let me guys show you guys something. That and there is a new. What the fuck? Okay, whatever. No, it's not here. Where is it? No. Hold on. Okay. Cannot find it right now. Well, whatever. There are. What is? It's Vulkan. There are new features in Vulkan. Engine architecture. I think this one.
You don't have any of that.
Yeah, sadly. My graphics card is not supported anymore, or Nvidia doesn't provide new updates for my graphics card on Linux, so I'm fucked, so I need to get a new one. New drivers, or a new graphics card so I can get the new drivers. And then there's a Vulkan, what is it? Is it bindless state? I don't know, wait. Can I just find, there's a really good article, let's see. No, I don't remember exactly what I'm trying to find. But anyway, it's a cool new feature which I cannot sadly get. But it basically, this is what I have heard, is that you should be able to just use, wouldn't have to do all of this binding kind of stuff that you do in Vulkan. But instead just use pointers, raw memory pointers to do your command execution. Which would be so nice, because you wouldn't have to go through all of these binding setups and boilerplates and whatnot. It would just provide the pointer to the memory which you're referring to. Right? That would be so sick. But I cannot do it on my current graphics card. So I would have to get a new one if I want to try those things out. It will be sad for the ones who don't have these features. They wouldn't be able to play the game either, but... Or, yeah. But, it's okay. I kinda need to... Okay. I don't know, should I do the file watcher to always have the init, the dinit, and the update? Because it's kind of generic in that sense, but it's also like... Nah, I like this. But it's really ugly to keep it outside like this, but it's, it makes sense. But this could be a separate thread. Should I just spawn a thread when this happens? And then just look these things up and swap them. Because, okay, we can do a test. If I go to systems and I go to init and then I do, oopsie daisy. I can do this. std debug. I think this is allowed when it's in the init, hopefully. Test, that's sure. Oh my god. should really get used to just doing these kind of things. Oops. Let's see, I'm trying to... No, wait. How do I... Like so. Oops. I don't know if it's worth learning these things, but wait, where is the... There. There, these ones. And then I should be able to just switch between. So if I want to do... I don't know, I think it's more effort trying to figure out. I'm switching keyboard layout. I'm just trying to figure out if it will be worth it. But yeah, okay. Let's see if I run this, is this gonna work, server? No, it's not, because it doesn't like the STD. Should just pass in STD into the thing. Arching is so good. Yeah! I spoke today with a friend who suggested, kind of like a joke I think, but also a bit serious. Fuck Windows shit, yeah. But he suggested for me to use Gento. I would use Gento. Gen 2, my bad. Gen 2, but the thing with using that is just, I would use it, but to compile all of everything, at least it would take hours to compile simple stuff that you would like to use, and that's like, I don't know. If it was fast to compile, I would do it.
Bro, hear me out. Gen 2 is literally for people who are more unemployed than Arch users. Yeah, don't use it, bro. You don't have that kind of time.
Yeah, if it wasn't for the time to compile stuff, I would use it. Is there a reason why I cannot just use STD inside of a dynamic library?
You mean for printing?
Yeah.
Or for what?
Can I?
Yeah, that's just because the print is broken. But you can do the. You can get standard out writer if you want.
Yeah, I think that's more effort.
I can teach you about writers. Yeah, but you need to learn it anyways.
Okay.
So, you wanna do that?
Sure, we can do that for just.
Let's see. Let's see if Lucas can figure out this on his own for just a second, and then I'll help you.
What the fuck?
Can you figure out how? Okay, so you need to write out to standard outs.
I'm gonna get out IO.
I mean, it is an IO event. No googling, bro.
Bro, I'm not gonna try to invent the thing in front of me. Man, reference.
Try just like think logically, alright?
I would like to say something with write or then STD out or something like that, but I cannot find that.
Well, okay, hear me out. What is writing out to the terminal? What kind of thing is that?
That's a file descriptor.
No, like what the concept? What is it?
Concept.
Is it networking? Is it?
It's a file. It's an IO. Output.
Yeah, IO. Yeah, IO.
Okay. And now I do writer? Okay. Print. Obviously, right? But I need a writer. Wait, what the fuck?
Yeah, well, okay, don't go back. Don't do writer, alright? Because it's technically, what is standard out? It's a file.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, so I can... Okay.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, but you want to make a variable for the writer, don't you? So you want to do like var writer, right?
In this sense, I would kind of prefer the C standard write for this thing, because this is a bit weird. I'm sure. Do you just call it writer?
Yeah.
It's equal to.
Well, I would actually call it std out writer, because it's the standard out writer, and it's for a very good reason. That you will see later.
std out underscore writer. Can I get please like that?
Alright, and now you can do equals. And what do we have here? An init. No, what? Wait, what do we have here? An init. Brace is called init. Dot init. Not
That
init.
is. Look.
Yes. And now, well, it needs the standard out. So, but to get the standard out, you can just do dot std out here in the file because it's a default thing. It can have. It's like a function. Dot std out,
Okay.
and it's a function because Windows is funky. Okay, and what does init need more? Look at that.
Why is it? No information. My LSP is broken again. Great.
Yes, it's because you're having an error, and it doesn't like having errors.
Oh, fuck them errors.
Yeah,
It,
but
it
what
should.
you need
It
is
should
an
still.
IO.
It should still be able. Okay, now it shows that. Okay, weird.
Yeah, but you need an IO.
Okay, do we have to pass that in then, or can I?
Yeah, you have to pass it in.
Fuck, because then I have to. That I don't know if I want to do though.
Yeah.
Then we don't do the
Well,
right.
okay, we can just do a simple thing then. We can do a little shitty thing. Alright, so we can just make the IO here in this function.
Yeah,
Just
that.
so you learn.
Mm.
Yeah, you do var threaded. Threaded. Yes. Do you do colon? Yes. std.io.threaded equals. You can do single threaded .init single threaded. And that is a variable constant. Yes. Semicolon. Yes. Now you do the for threaded the init. Now you do const io equals threaded.io, and now you do enter. Yes, and now you can pass in the IO to the init. Yes, but now to write you also need a buffer. So above here we do var. I usually call it like std out under. If we're gonna be semi-clean here, I would call it std underscore writer underscore buffer. std out writer buffer, and write this with 1t, not 2.
I knew that.
Yes, and you have to specify the length. That's way too big probably, but alright. I mean, it can be anything really. I mean, I would do like 128 or something, but alright. Equals undefined. Yes, and because this is a fixed size array, we have to coerce it, so we do ampersand in the init thing. Yeah, ampersand, not at. We do ampersand.
Wait, how do we get? I forgot.
Ampersand. std out writer.
Wait, what did you say we have to
buffer.
do with it? What did you call? Course it?
Yeah, coerce it. It's what it's called. You don't need to do slicing here. Because you're coercing it.
What does that mean?
Now.
What does it mean to
It
course?
means that you're basically coercing kind of means like simple casting. Like it's like fake casting.
Fake
Or
casting,
Like
yeah.
type casting. It's not like casting in reality. No, but like when you do int cast, it's actually doing real things. It's not just bullshit. But like the type system in Zig does this with pointers, so cursing is essentially casting but without. It's just a type system. It's not like actual casting on the CPU. It's not doing something weird.
So it's just
Also, I would
interpreting.
have-
Is it just
say-
interpret cast then, or?
I don't know what that is, but sure. Now you can do const std out, because now we have the implementation, but we need the interface. So we do std out equals std out writer dot interface. But now interface, yeah, but we also got to take reference of this because that's just how it works because of memory, and this kind of interface is like this, and this is an intrusive interface. Yes, now you do a new line, and a new line again I would probably do, and then you do try std out of print. Yeah, the print. Yes, and then you can pass in the formatting. You can do whatever you want. It's just like a print function.
Okay.
Yes, don't forget that we also need to pass in parameters. I mean, if you're only gonna do hello, you could also just do std out write all, but alright, sure, we can do this for testing. And now you can do a new line and you do try std out. Do you want to do the write all? Or? I mean, it doesn't matter too much. You can do no, you don't want to flush. I mean, you can write all also if you want to, so you you also have to try because flushing requires trying. Just try, bro. I know the writer in and out, alright? I know what's going on here.
And then write all?
You can write all here, but you're gonna see what happens then.
Okay,
it's not bad, it's just not gonna print it because you're not gonna flush it. But if you flush it afterwards again, yeah, sure, but then you can also just put it up before the flush.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But how? Yeah. So write all.
Yeah.
And
what
then
write all basically does is it writes all the things, and if the buffer you give it is smaller than what you want to write, then it will flush it to the std out or whatever file, or it will just flush it because it's an interface. Yeah, and it's like a ring buffer, if you know what that is.
yeah,
Requires an error.
Yeah.
Like std, the writer interface has a ring buffer, and when that buffer goes around, it flushes. Yeah. But also you have to try before write all.
But isn't that just normal write or like std out behavior like usually?
No.
Yeah.
No, and maybe I don't know.
Anyway, so what?
Well, I can.
Wait, why do I have the
try?
Try. But I do have a try here. Or do you mean try?
Expected U32. No, you have to do try on write all. Like all the writer functions requires trying. I don't know any writer function that doesn't do trying.
That's some crazy stuff there.
Yeah, let's see. Expected type blah 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 blah. Does
that returns probably how much it got printed. But then I have to put that try the other way around.
It doesn't.
Well, usually
I know the writers in and out.
Usually
no,
I write.
It usually doesn't.
Okay, no.
Yeah, but this ain't the usual shit. Like look above, bro. Is it usual to have an entire goddamn IO implementation?
Nah, that's what I was saying. Can we just take in the C standard, right, and do that instead?
No, but also hear me out here. So this shit kinda sucks, right? But it's actually really good. Alright, trust me, it's like really, really good.
Okay.
But you're probably forgetting to like try somewhere. Does the file writer init, does that return an error?
Oops.
Probably not actually. I don't
No,
know.
it doesn't return an error.
No, it doesn't. Alright, I don't know what your LSB is on. Just print.
Just run it.
Yeah.
Expected type U32 found error. That's great. What is so wrong?
What does print return?
It returns error void.
Alright, just don't print, I guess.
that's when you give bro. No way, that's where.
Yeah. Bro, you're not gonna be able to read this. This is like unreadable.
That's great, Harold. That's great. So we just don't. Okay, but what I want to do is do an std sleep.
You can do std.c. What?
Can I actually do an std? Can I?
You want to sleep, bro?
You could have told me this instead earlier, brother.
No.
Isn't it one for out?
Also, if you want to sleep, yeah, it is one for out. Yes, I mean you can also use do std.c.printf, but
I'm a C fan.
Don't remove the IO, bro. You need the IO to sleep. Oh, you're so cooked.
Okay.
You're so cooked. But now, if we're gonna do the IO for sleeping, why even do the C stuff, right?
Wait, does it actually take? Doesn't write take just a single character? Ah, no, it takes. Oh, yeah, take the point buffer to the beginning of the, and then you print the amount. Okay, my bad. I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking.
No, what you're referring to is put char, or put.
I don't know. Wait, hell, 3 6.
6 7.
Oh my god.
7.
Okay, but for now, let's just do this.
7.
And something is still not compiling. Use size. Wait. Right, libc must be explicit specified in build command. Wait, we don't have libc in the... Do we?
Alright, we're not gonna link with it, dummy. We're not linking with libc, alright? It's not worth the hassle.
So what do we do then if I just wanna write to STD, what do I do?
No, then you do this. No, then you do the shit I gave you here. Just do
But
that.
it doesn't
Do
work!
that, bro.
It doesn't work!
No, it does work. Run it.
But it doesn't!
Alright, oh, you mean like... Oh, yeah. But just remove the print, bro. Just do write all hello instead.
Wait a second.
It's not that hard, bro.
So just change
Although
this.
print is like a kind of shitty name. Bro,
And then say
yeah,
hello.
change that out. So, hello, backslash n. Yes, that's how this works.
Now we're back to
Bro.
the same.
No, okay. This is something above. No, bro, this is something above. It's your compiler is lying to you. You're doing something wrong here.
Well, obviously. Okay, wait.
Also, why are you writing all std out writer buffer? It's literally just garbage. But alright.
Wait, so I thought it printed it into the buffer. That's why I provided it with this thing. Why do I need this thing if it's not even being used?
No, it is being used. Where do you think the hello backslash n is being stored at?
Yeah. So I thought that it's putting it in here, and then I still need to provide it here. What I'm gonna do? What should I provide in this one?
No.
If it's not the bytes.
No, okay. The naming is the naming is a bit funky. All right. The only thing that makes it go out to the terminal is flush. Okay. Right.
No,
now,
but
just
flush
make
makes
sure that the entire string you provide gets written.
no, but flush makes sense that it goes out into the terminal. Wait,
Yeah, but like.
wait. Before we continue, Tosa wonder why do we not just link with libc?
Because linking with libc is being eaten by the devil, alright? Don't link with libc, guys.
You
Libc
didn't
is
provide a
dangerous.
just say that link with libc is bad, but didn't provide any logical answer to it. You're like bad, and that's it.
Okay, bro. Okay, I'll give you a good reason actually. Okay. So when you include libc, then you suddenly have a bunch of random ass global states. Yes, exactly.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
And also it's C, so you should just hate on it.
Hey, we don't hate on C here. C is
No, we do.
no. He asked
Bro,
also
C is a good language.
dynamically link, not static.
Yeah, no, but both suck ass.
Damn,
Both
that
are
voice crack.
terrible. Yeah, I know, that was fantastic. That's just how much I hate C. Yeah, okay. But like C isn't like bad language. It's just a standard library in C. It's just a terrible.
Okay, but
piece of
let's.
shit.
So when I say std
Nah.
print, I write into the buffer that I just provided here.
It's something above. Yeah, like okay, there's actually a function called write that returns a U size, like how much it wrote.
Okay,
I
wait.
mean, right?
Let's see.
But write all, it just makes sure that your string gets written.
Here,
It's
look.
something like above. It's not on that fine line.
Here, we are asking Claude now.
Claude isn't gonna fix it.
You don't
Bro,
understand.
it's something dumb.
How do I get the sig docs there?
What? No, bro, you don't get it. It's not with the print that is the causing of it. It's something
it's
above
gonna,
it.
It's gonna one shot this thing. Trust me, bro.
Yeah, because it's an easy thing to fix.
Super anti. Hey, what's up, anti super chat? Welcome, super chat. Very nice. Wait. For Zig C++ version of libc, threaded and memsafe llama without global state. I'm coding C++. How about that? C++ is fun for me. Yeah, we
Yeah.
here don't really.
We don't like C++.
Wait, why would it switch it to catches? That wouldn't really do anything. That's just dumb. Ah, brother. I cannot return an error.
Oh, well, that's my stream chat. Okay.
Yes.
Well, okay. Just put cache.
Yeah, you mean catch,
Just
yeah.
do nothing. Just unreachable, I guess.
Bruh, how did we not think about
Yeah,
that?
that's fantastic.
See, that's why you have this
Oh,
AI
right.
to catch you doing stupid shit
I
that
don't
is
know.
literally just. Oh.
Yeah, but bro, if I was actually trying, you know, I would probably see that. Also, I would never use export functions because I'm too good for those.
But I need it for the hot
Obviously.
reloading, but
Yeah. Too bad. But reloading ain't worth it. Print, run.
But no,
create.
how what am I actually supposed to provide in here if I cannot provide?
A string.
But this is what string am I supposed to provide?
Okay, bro. Wait, I'll stream here. And I'll explain it.
Am I supposed to do a hello again?
No.
What's this that?
Hey. Okay, do you see my screen?
Wait.
You see my screen? Oh, hello.
It's loading. There it is. Show us how.
Yes. Alright. So, right. Okay, so imagine we have the writer's memory here. This is the memory, okay? Yes. Very nice. Where is text? I need text too. Yes.
Just
Okay,
spell out.
we do like
Okay.
hello world. Yeah, let's say that's what we wrote.
Is that now? Is that it's wait? Is this memory the buffer that we created 255 or what is this memory
Yeah.
region? Okay.
Yeah, it is. Oh goddammit. Okay, but let's say we write just I, right? And then we
Yeah.
also write \n. Okay. There's this garbage. Okay. There's this garbage because our buffer is undefined, right?
Yeah.
And let's say our buffer is maybe only 3 characters long, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So now if we flush this, it goes over to the terminal, the file descriptor.
Yeah. FD. Yeah.
Yes, it's very nice. And what write all basically does is let's say our buffer here is still just 3 things wide, okay? Right. So we have okay, I don't know why.
But by the way, wait,
Alright.
you're using what is it called? Wayscriber, right?
Yes.
You can hold Control to drag a cube immediately.
But I don't want a cube.
What? You're drawing memory layout. It's so perfect for it. Hold Control. Hold Control so you don't have to toggle between pen and. Oh my god.
No.
I cannot.
Okay. So, you see, we have 4 bytes here. This is our buffer. Alright.
Yeah.
Yes. So, what write all does is, let's say we want to write hello, right? Hello. You see, that's 4, but also a \n. Okay. And then we might also want to write Lucas on the new line.
Okay, I see it now.
Yeah.
But
So when you write all,
yeah.
it basically puts this into the buffer. All right.
Yeah.
So it's very nice. And then, well, actually, it doesn't fit. Like only this part
But
fits. Okay?
so does it print just like does it print or flush it and then it takes the next part and flush it and takes the next part and flush it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Basically, so it takes this, flushes it, and then it's because the buffer is only that, and then it takes the next 4, right?
Yeah.
Flushes that.
And that's
and then
what
it takes
print
the
does.
next. No, that's what the write all does.
Write all, okay.
But print also does that because print uses write all. By instance.
Okay.
So yeah, but there's also a write function, which let's say this is the thing, then it will only print out those, and then it will just return 4. because that's how much it wrote, you know.
Okay. But will it flush?
And so what? No, write does not flush.
Okay.
Yeah, then you have to do it on your own. Like, it will just tell you, like, hey, I only wrote 4 bytes to the buffer. And, like, the buffer in itself is... one thread. Like, let's say this is the buffer, alright? They should have a memory layout tool here or something, I feel like. Okay.
Is there a draw
but-
grid, perhaps? That would be pretty sick.
Maybe, I don't know. So let's say we want to write hello, right? And then yeah, and then we flush this, okay? Right? We flush all this, so it's all flushed. Yes, and now let's say we want to write like hello, or now we want to write Lucas, okay? What it's gonna do now is it's gonna write an L and a U, and now it's gonna be like, oh, well, the buffer is ending here. So what do we do then? Well, then we go over here and overwrite this.
Yeah. Okay, but now you're just repeating what you just said earlier, basically.
Well, not really, because it's a ring buffer.
But but okay, wait. But then. Okay, so wait, print and write all does the same thing.
Well, no, because the print does formatting also. It like formats the string.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
With
But then I
but
don't.
they both do the same.
I don't need them to write all. I just need print and flush.
Sure.
That's crazy. Okay, what I wanted to do was to just. Hello, Lorenzo. I just noticed that you joined.
Hello.
Hello.
Am I hearable?
So, hearable? What did you say?
Hearable?
Yeah,
you're hearable.
Your microphone is not the best, but it's there. I can hear it.
Okay.
Oh wait, now it's better. I don't know. Let's see. The init system segfault head. I don't think it still likes it. Are you feeling
What
better?
are you doing?
I'm trying to do a print in the dynamic library, and I cannot use std debug print because apparently that's not good. That's didn't live.
Yeah, it doesn't like it.
So we're trying to just do.
Try std log. Std log.
I think I also tried that earlier, but it didn't. std debug log.
Your editor is so much colored.
Yeah.
Bro, you haven't seen mine.
I spoke with Lorenzo here. Was it 1 or 2 days back? And he has no colors in his editor. Like,
Yeah, well, he actually has 50 shades of white.
for real. Yeah, no, it's still not.
Yeah.
Anything that has with STD, I think it doesn't like.
Yeah, too bad. Too bad.
Can I do anything? Like,
Can I link with libc? So you're just cooked. Yeah, you can use like arrays and allocators. It's just IO.
Sorry, what? Both of you spoke.
What?
What?
Are you sure we need that?
The what?
You're working on dynamic hot reloading and Scheisse, right?
Dynamic hot reloading. Yeah.
I'm agreeing with Lorenzo here.
Okay,
Sure,
that
we need this.
I can use std array list. Yes, I'm sure we need it.
Yeah, you can.
But if we are
Look,
using
you can do
Wasm in the
syscalls.
end,
Well, I mean, yeah.
If you are
He has a
using
point. What's up?
Wasm, if you're using Wasm, I don't know, like I
Oh,
have.
just write the game in the Wasm. Just write the game and compile it to Wasm, and then you have the engine that runs the Wasm. Hot reloadable.
that's the plan.
Yeah, but can you also do that for the renderer?
Wasm?
I mean, if you expose if you expose a rendering API to the WASM, then you can do that. But personally, I would expose a little higher level API, not like a full Vulkan implementation.
Mm.
I think it means for auto reloading, but no, we don't need that, bro.
No,
don't need it.
we do.
We-
It's so convenient. I
If we
love
have
it.
auto reloading for the game, it's fine. We don't need it for the rendering, bro.
No. I think until we can switch out components when it makes sense for the WASM, but until then, I think we can just use the whole application as a dynamic library.
Okay.
But I guess I will have to see also kind of like how the WASM work. I have not the complete picture of it yet. So, but yeah. So far,
Right now, I'm letting both Codex and Claude write tests for my WASM implementation,
okay.
but the Arch64 implementation is mostly done.
Okay.
I need to work on the x86 one somehow.
Somehow. Can't you just run a?
Because I
Oh
don't
yeah.
have nothing to test.
Right. And Ernesto is no, he doesn't either.
No,
do-
he is also on a MacBook.
How is it with
Uh,
Lucky?
Well, I have a ThinkPad.
Okay.
I
Because
can use the ThinkPad. I just have to resurrect it.
yeah. How is it with Lucky though? Could he perhaps help? Because I remember he was involved with the WASM as well.
Who?
Lucky.
Ooh. Oh, Lucky.
Yeah.
If I ask Lucky to implement a just-in-time compiler for WASM, he's going to kill me. So
Okay. I could ask him.
No, I just resurrect the ThinkPad and test it.
Okay, it's easier like this.
At this point, it's not hard to like. Once I got Arch64 working, it's not hard to get x86 working too.
Okay.
So now basically what I do is I take a WASM binary. I validate the binary correctness so that each, like the size of the stack is correct over all the execution.
Okay.
And then I translate the stack machine to a register-based machine with virtual registers.
Okay.
And with that, I generate assembly code, platform-specific assembly code that gets loaded in memory and executed.
Okay. Wait, so it's still like then quite it's limited to the stack with like so like WASM is like has a limited stack which you can use. You cannot or can you still? Well, I guess you can use the programs heap that it's connected
No,
to.
memory
No,
success with it.
The WASM stack is virtual.
Okay, so you cannot. But like, I wonder about like memory. How can it? Can it just send commands to the main application of how to do like more memory, or is like how it manages it?
WASM has an allocated heap,
Okay.
and the WASM engine decides how big the heap is at each moment. So you
Okay.
can increase the heap when necessary.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's still. I guess once I guess there's a runnable test. It would be cool to check it out because I'm not really sure exactly. I tried WASM for one project earlier, but for me I couldn't get. I think I got to 1 mega of space, and then I couldn't figure out how to get more. So I just was
Oh,
fucked.
okay.
I was like, shit, that sucks. And I couldn't.
I don't know about the browser, but there are
Yeah.
instructions to grow the memory, so it's
Okay.
completely doable. What needs to be done is implementing an API.
Mhm.
Wait, let me see what.
But this.
Let me see what.
There's one thing though. I
I'm
wonder.
Yeah.
What still with the hot reloading because I could use STD in this version of my hot rod loading, but I cannot use it. I don't know. I don't do anything really differently, so I'm very confused why it works here, but not for the new version. That's so strange. Compile where executable systems here. I don't do anything special about it. I just put it in there and then it's fine and happy. But it still breaks. Very weird. Why can I not just use? Cannot use STD in.
If you want to look at, they have 1,000 lines of markdown that specify how I designed the WASM engine.
I mean, sure. That would be pretty okay. I mean, where is it? Do you have a link?
Bro, writing more
I
markdown
have it
than ever.
locally. Yeah, no, because at this point, my workflow is I write the program in English, I structure the project, I give snippets, and then I let the model complete the thing. So yeah, I wrote the entire specification of how everything should work, how every component should work, and then I'm letting Claude and Codex do the heavy work.
You know,
Oh,
usually I'm like, this is a cool idea I'm gonna do here, and then I just like look around in the standard library a little bit, and then I do some googling, and then I just start writing, and then 2 months later I have a finished thing. That's my workflow.
Yeah, I mean, it works.
Yeah, I mean, admittedly.
I was very against the usage of AI in programming, but
oh yeah.
at this point, I don't really know because it just feels so fast. It can be dangerous if you give it to someone who doesn't know what they are doing. Like, if you're not guiding it extensively with very specific instructions, that's why I
Yeah.
write very big markdown files first. It doesn't have the capabilities of designing good software.
No.
It just doesn't.
Yeah, I mean, you kind of have to supervise it. But not gonna lie, I'm not against programming with AI, but I just don't find it very fun for me. So, I mean, I just try to
Yeah, no,
find
it's
everything.
not fun. It's not fun at all.
Yeah, no.
But
Hmm.
I tend to separate what I do for fun at this point and what I do because I want to do it.
Right. I just do the shit I think is funny. So, yeah, that's usually is windowing though.
Yeah. Like, what I find funny right now is implementing convolutional neural networks because I'm learning machine learning.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't use AI for that. I don't make AI with AI.
What?
Just because just because I find it funny to like the math behind it.
Oh,
I'm not
yeah.
even using the libraries like I'm using the libraries to accelerate the matrix multiplication and such because otherwise it will be slow as hell. But I'm not using the machine learning functions. I'm just using pure math.
Oh, nice.
Papers.
What? In
That's
C or
Python.
Python? Okay.
Yeah, MLX is also for C++, but I would rather use Python than C++.
True.
Fair.
I think that I will start implementing my models in metal performance shaders directly. So yeah, C and Objective-C.
Mm-hmm.
Poor you, bro. Objective-C.
Yeah.
That's good.
Objective-C is the worst thing I ever worked with in my life. But I keep being forced working with it because fucking Apple loves it for some reason.
Yeah, well, they don't love it. They just have to use it. They prefer Swift. Well, they prefer to write a wrapper in Swift over their beautiful Objective-C they love so much.
Yeah, exactly. So since I mean, I love Swift. I really like it. I don't like the tooling behind Swift, and I'm more comfortable with C. And so, what interface better with C is Objective C. So I end up using it. Like I mix Objective C with C when I can.
Yeah, it's just like really hard to manage it, isn't it? Like with all the objects that are in. I mean, Objective-C is just a bunch of random ass objects, and C doesn't really have that concept.
Yeah, what I do usually is to expose as much as I can as pure C functions, and then
Yeah.
just call them as an internal API from C.
Yeah, I actually
So
looked
for some
at your
things,
windowing
it's not
code
really
there.
needed.
Yeah, I actually looked at your windowing code for Mac because I mean I'm doing windowing, so and the only platform I haven't supported is Mac. So I kind of looked around there, but I mean I don't really understand Mac very much or Coco, so
Coco is not very far from GTK, honestly. I don't know if you're familiar with GTK.
I've done a bit of it. Yeah,
So
pretty
there is the
awful.
concept. Yeah.
Yeah, GTK isn't. I don't know. It's seriously like really bloated, but maybe Coco isn't it.
No, it's bloated.
Okay, perfect.
And it's OOP, so I hate it. But yeah, I mean, at least it's kind of nice to the eye, I guess.
Mm. Right,
And
unlike
it's not
Wayland.
too hard. It's not too hard at all. The hard part is all the OOP mess with interfaces, derivation, and message passing. Because Objective C is not like C++. It's the real object-oriented programming. So there are actually message passing around with IPC.
Mm. Delicious.
No.
I don't know. I from my experience with windowing, I must say that so far Windows has been the easiest platform to implement, but it's also like the absolutely like I don't know, the logic behind Windows is I don't even know, and I guess it seems the same for Coco. It's like it's simple, but it's also like really ugly and dumb. While like Wayland and X are like really dumb and ugly. So yeah.
How do you sleep the thread in Zig?
IO sleep.
So I have to get the IO and then call sleep on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Bro, you're so cooked. Like everything is IO.
I should
I
find
need a clock.
the-
Do you have to
No,
create?
you don't need a clock. It's an enum.
Ah, okay.
Just do dot real on it. Also for duration you can do it from seconds, yeah, whatever.
And then real. Okay.
I don't know what the clocks do. I just do real every time.
And
I think it's the slowest one also.
I think that's real though.
Sleep also returns
Right.
a cancelable, so it's like underscore equals
Ah, okay.
also. Because it's like asynchronous kinda.
Well, I don't want it to be asynchronous. I want to sleep the thread.
Yeah. That's why you just don't that's why you ignore the thing.
Ah. Wait, what the fuck? Isn't this how you?
You remove the space. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
You mean add the space?
You did though.
I cannot sleep the thread. Ah.
Bro, pass in an IO into this init system.
But that I know. That I could. Nah.
Yes.
Could
you
I just-
want to do it?
I could just pass in STD in that case.
What do you mean, bro? IO is the new standard library. What are you on? Bro, STD, it's only gonna have one thing inside of it in the future. It's gonna be like, it's gonna be STD, and then there's actually gonna be one singular thing. It's gonna be IO. Everything's gonna be an IO for me. Bro, bro, actually, go to the STD IO table. Because IO is an interface, of course. But it's actually like a really good design, I have to admit. But it's a bit...
there's the V table.
A bit tricky to find things. Yeah, okay, now scroll down here. So we have async, concurrent, which is basically async, await, right? And we have cancel, right? Yeah, very nice, am I right? Then we have group async, then we have group concurrent, then we have group await, and then we have the rest of the standard library here. Yes, it's every single file operation. Yes.
But
it's all the networking and...
I'm so confused because you can see in here, this is my hot reloaded system in the old version of the project. Update, which is called convention C. Update in here. Or also I think I do a std print somewhere else in here. But anyways, it goes into, for example, player update, and in here I just use std print debug, and it's fine. I don't understand how it's fine. It's literally the same thing that I do.
Does this run nowadays?
This runs.
Right.
It's
probably because it just doesn't like your thing.
No, because in here I could do an std debug print in here, and this is the same init system as I do in the init in our current one. I just say hello, right? Like so.
Okay.
And then I can do Zig run.
But hear me out. This is another version of Zig, isn't it?
Oh wait, I forgot. I forgot the dot.
Yeah, but this is a different version of Zig.
Well, I guess that's true.
Yes.
This one runs. I don't get it. Well, of course we have a few leaks there, but that's irrelevant.
I think the reason for why this is happening with print is because if you go into print in the modern Zig or whatever, well, you have modern LSP, so it's gonna send you there. But like go into print. Okay, like look at what print does. All right. Because I'm pretty sure it uses a global IO, but it's just like debugging, that's why it's okay, kinda. Yeah, you see std error file writer interface. Yeah, okay, what is std error? Lock std error buffer. What does lock std error do? IO, yeah, std options debug IO. Yes, you see, it's using a global IO, which gets initialized, yes, you can like set it, I guess, yeah, but it's just because your library doesn't have an entry point, so it never has any time to set it.
Oh, wait, this one is still referring to the... but
yeah, it's because your LSP is modern, you know?
Yeah, it's the modern LSP, right.
LSP, what's that?
That's my fucking guy.
Yes.
Okay, so because never.
But if you do, I don't know.
I could pass in the STD.
Yeah, it's just because this doesn't IO after allocator.
After allocator.
The order is allocator IO.
Why not just pass in the STD?
What's been passing the STD?
Can I not pass it?
Namespace.
Is it not
Are you dumb?
Is it actually not a?
Okay, yeah. No, bro. Do you know how many fields STD has?
Oh shit. No wait. There's a root.
0.
There is a root. could take the root.
What? No, that's a different thing.
Oh man, no. Okay, so we'll have to... Oh man. Well, yeah.
You can't just pass in the standard library as an instance. Bro, what are you on?
I'm on crack.
Bro, STIO is a pointer, but to const. Okay, same with the allocator, bro. Const interfaces do not require to be mutable. Just put const after the star, bro.
But then I will have to do it in all of the places, and we don't like that.
Yeah, but bro, you shouldn't pass in interfaces as mutable things. It's not good. It's actually like really unsafe and bad. Like you. Bro, the allocators for init systems and the init systems also gotta be const, bro. Same, bro, everything. Allocator, you have to do star const allocator.
No, because these ones are being initialized over here, so I'm modifying them.
You're not
Yeah.
modifying the allocator.
Well, that I'm not.
Yeah, bro, it's the allocator. The allocator.
Anyways,
God damn it.
so
Allocator. Hell no.
let's
Lorenzo, beat his ass. Get him.
Yes.
Beat him. Beat Lucas.
so
Why?
Because he's being dumb. He doesn't. He wants to pass in the interfaces as mutable things.
allow me be dumb in peace, okay?
No, I won't let that happen, bro. Last time I did that, look at your project. All right, we had to restart. You want that to happen again?
Can I just in the init here? So wait, do I have to do the whole threaded thing again, or can I get the iOS
Brother.
as here?
The init provides an IO.
Oh,
yes.
thank God.
No, don't do it like that. No, bro, do an alias, please, please. Just do an alias for IO.
Why?
Like at the top.
Why not just do
Because
this?
in case we want to change it out in the future to some other IO. Bro, you gotta think like so it's easy to replace things, alright?
You're
Yes, and
thinking.
then you pass in
Oh wait,
that
I already had this.
bro. Okay, bro, just do the IO. Oh, bro, you're still passing in init IO. God damn it. And it has a pointer. Pointer. Reference.
I know. You don't have to tell me about this. I know these things.
Also, bro, make the allocator be constant.
We will take
or
care
else
of
I
that.
will never shut up about this. Bro, I'm never gonna shut up about this otherwise.
I put it in the
Do
wrong. Don't worry about it. I got this.
Bro, put the allocators to be constant.
I think Harold will make his own PR
Hey.
today.
No, I'm not making a PR for this. Unless you like push right now. And I do a PR right now.
I don't know. It didn't even like this. I passed it in and it still broke. Weird.
Segmentation fault. I guess it doesn't like you.
Doesn't like it at all. Because
I guess it's probably because it doesn't know what thread this is.
well, that shouldn't matter. It doesn't use thread.
I don't know. Go into sleep. Oh, fantastic! Yes, to see what's actually going on, you have to go into the threaded sleep. So you have to go to the implementation, which is threaded.
Okay. You
Oh
mean?
my god!
You mean?
The type, bro.
What the fuck
Yes,
there?
yes. That type, go in there, and now you go search sleep.
How many are there? There's a lot of sleep in here.
What are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to find sleep.
Yeah, bro, go to the V-table sleep and look where it's pointing at. Here. Ah, bro, you're there. Here. Okay. Sleep, nano sleep. Of course. Yes. Bro, go to the return function here. Sleep, nano sleep. Right. IO basic. Okay, I guess. Fantastic. Syscall start. Oh, right. Welcome to Zig. The start of Syscalls.
Soon, I swear, we're switching to C if I cannot do a simple right.
Bro, it's because you're doing it in the dumbest ways ever. You're the worst architecture on the planet Earth. That's why this doesn't work.
I just want to be able to do hot reloading and printing for debugging. Is that too much to ask for?
Yes, when you're doing it in terrible architecture ways, then it's too much to ask.
You guys don't understand the power, okay? I'm telling you.
Yeah, but we can do it for Wasm, bro.
Yeah, but we will get there later. Now we're doing it with hot dynamic libraries. I think we will just link with libc. That's the way.
Yeah, good luck. Yeah, I'm agreeing with Lorenzo here.
I don't get it. I
Good
think
luck figuring this out.
that's not too hard. Isn't just somewhere over here. I remember it. Link libc.
Damn it, we found it.
Is it true?
I really don't like.
Oops.
Adam is going to replace these anyways.
No.
Tomorrow. We're gonna replace this.
There. Now we can just do this thing and let's just. Yeah, I cannot.
But they didn't add the definition for this one. It's because they wanted to piss off Lucas. Yeah, eye size ignore, bro. Right reserves eye size.
Eye size?
Yes.
What do you mean about eye size? What about my eyes? Are they huge or?
No, they're small.
No.
Klein.
I would say they're pretty average.
Nah, bro.
What's the problem now?
Me, when Codex uses POSIX calls because it can't find a new standard library way to open files.
Damn it.
So,
What
Crazy.
happens? I think you're linking with libc on the server. And you want
that's
it
the
on the
server.
client, or
No, that's server.
you want the server? Okay.
Actually, I want to
Can
sleep.
someone compute the Fibonacci sequence, please?
The what?
Of
Well,
10?
yeah, 1 sec. 1 sec.
Why is it not compiling the new version? It's still using the old one. What the fuck? Oh wait, no. It's using the right version. I'm stupid. Because this one is not hot reloaded. Yay! There came the hello.
34. 34, Lorenzo.
44
It's the 9
for,
yeah.
for 10?
Yeah, the 10th iteration.
What
But
about
man,
11?
that's... Ah, that sucks.
55.
Why am I getting 55 for 10?
It's probably because like you're doing 11 iterations, technically.
And that's probably the reason, but it shouldn't be the case.
Also, why do you need Fibonacci numbers, bro? What?
I'm testing for... It's the way I'm testing the WASM engine.
Fibonacci numbers, alright.
I think it's a pretty good test to run.
Yeah, nah, I think like asynchronous file loading and networking is better test.
Yeah, sure.
Anyways, should we look into kind of like the architecture when it comes?
Nothing.
I should go.
We're looking into nothing.
Okay, so should we figure out kind of like a way for sending commands and stuff from server and to client and server?
We should design a protocol.
Do you mean protocol and
Yes.
just like the high level
A
idea,
protocol.
the high abstract idea, or do you mean
As a
actually,
protocol.
or actually the UDP kind of like wrap, like how do we
I
wrap?
mean how packets are structured.
Okay,
The
so
structure
the
types,
high level of the
request
packet.
structure.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do it like X11 and be absolutely garbage, right?
Oh,
so
yes.
we begin with having random as padding everywhere. Yes, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so hear me out. We have random padding. We switch between big and little endian sometimes, alright? And hear me out. Best of all, we also just include data that is already included somewhere else. Yes, exactly.
I
And then
have a better
we
idea.
reshape the protocol.
Guys, I have a better idea. Instead of
Okay,
passing
alright.
absolute values over
Uh-huh.
the net, we pass the pointers.
Oh, yes, and then we have them like use shared memory maps on POSIX. Yes, of course. I mean, this is so much better.
Nobody has thought of this. Just sending the pointers. You save so much time and data, right?
Yeah, exactly. Even online, it's gonna work really well.
Exactly. And you know how we can save? You know how we can save even more speed?
Hmm?
We send it to the local address.
Wow, that's so smart. I mean, guys, the only thing we need now is to use a integer that is different on different platforms. Yes. So it's like i32 on Mac, i16 on Windows, and it's an i18 on Linux, right?
6.7.
And then on
6.7.
FreeBSD, yeah, right, 6.7. And then on BSD, it's I don't know, maybe like an i8, just randomly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and we only use float 8, I think.
But wait. Should okay. How should we create? Is that's in the shared, or does the server and client use? No, they have to use the same kind of stuff, right?
Shared, yes. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a network folder in the shared. Actually, how about this, Lucas? You push and I write the code, alright?
Okay, I will.
How about that?
Should I create a shared net folder? Just net folder like that?
Don't do no.
Don't do anything.
Don't do anything.
Don't-
Just push the shit, bro. Push the shit and tell me the branch. Alright, fine, watch. Right, just push the shit.
I think we can merge it to the master. It's fine.
Yeah, you can. Do
Actually,
that.
wait. Before I do that, I'm gonna remove the linking with libc.
Yes. Big on level. I think the only thing that's worse than libc is like literally nothing.
Like literally.
Not even
Not-
Epstein.
Wait.
Literally nothing. Not even Epstein is as bad as libc.
Did I? I didn't say. I just wanted to run before I push. Yeah. Okay.
Wow, how dare you test things?
3,000 lines of code.
That sounds good.
Uh,
But this ain't up to our standards, Lorenz, so I think you're gonna have to be fired, let go of this position, because you see, we're following the Microsoft standards of 1 million lines of code per month, and you're behind. So, get to work, man.
And I'm expecting to burn at least 20 million tokens.
Yes. You can only use AI. You gotta write 1 million lines of code. No,
Oh,
empty
no.
lines. Alright? No empty lines. Alright?
I'm sorry, I can't trust an AI that much.
Well, too bad, because you're gonna have to meet your quota anyways.
Okay, I pushed
Yeah,
this.
no, this thing is working actually. It's crazy. I'm executing native code just in time compiled.
Okay.
That's crazy.
So
There's
the
no-
library to do this was 20 megabytes. The library.
Damn. That's like nothing.
No, that's a lot. 20 megabytes?
Well, what does it do though? Like it loads WhatsApp. That's pretty impressive.
Yes, but I can do that in
I guess 20 is actually quite a lot. I mean, I made a Discord bot in like
10
5?
megabytes in debug mode.
Okay, bro. I don't know. Okay, well, what are they doing at that point? Are they like supporting everything or what? Like how dare they?
I don't really know. I can now execute programs and import and export functions dynamically. And
Fantastic.
it's Git, so it runs natively as native assembly.
Lucas, can we just not do your shit and just do this? Because this seems like a lot better.
But he isn't he making Lorenzo? Aren't you making like kind of more like a module component where you can replace or add stuff?
Yes, so wait, what do you mean by that? Let's be clear.
Yeah. So, for example, you're making it more or less like like you're not making the whole, like, let's say the idea of an ECS, you're not making the whole ECS or like compile time kind of like replaceable. You're making the systems replaceable.
You work with functions,
Yeah.
so that's everything you have. Like the engine has to implement the low-level stuff, and then from WASM you export the engine functions and you interface with the engine functions.
Oh, so you export you export the engine functions to the
The
okay.
WASM runtime.
Okay. And then anyone who follows it can call anything that has to do with the engine.
Yes.
Okay. But
Wait,
then
do variables update dynamically also, like or they do they reset?
will you retrieve them, I assume?
I don't know.
Do you retrieve
I don't
like
do
that?
reloading.
Well, no. Wait, what? Wait, or you? I'm talking. Wait, with Lorenzo's thing, it's like kind of like you receive data from the engine. You can call any engine, kind of like calls.
Ah, right. Yes, I forgot. Yes, right.
Well, hot
Yeah,
reloading
this
is
thing is sandbox.
hot reloading is more like
Right.
that's actually you write the code actually as if you just wrote the code. But yeah, apparently it doesn't, like global states fucks everything up in hot reloading. Apparently.
How dare it?
Yeah, fuck. That's why we don't like global states.
No, global states
That's why
are
you do not
good.
like hot reloading.
Global states are good.
Okay, can somebody ban this guy?
Yeah, Lorenzo, this ain't valid. All right, this ain't valid.
Global state is very good.
No,
Don't be Rust.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not.
I,
It's
I
not
think
good. Not
I
good.
think I think that Lorenzo stuff is pretty cool, but the thing is that you have to explicitly state or write what is exported from the engine before you can use it in a WASM.
Yes.
Yeah, well, that's the only kind of like downside. But I think like if you just have the standard functionalities of the base, it's not really a problem because then you just have them
I wouldn't
access.
really call it a downside because letting random people make mods and run arbitrary code in your computer, it's not funny.
But it's
Not funny.
no,
I laugh.
no. Like I mean, downside is in the sense that with hot reloading, you can just add a new function and it will run it. You don't have to close the thing or anything like that. You can just have it there running it.
But we don't care about. Too bad.
Well, here you will have hot reloading on the logic of the game, not how the engine works. So not the like you can spawn new entities, you can add components, you can change colors, render stuff, but you can't change the Vulkan pipeline of the thing.
Can you change the structure layout?
You can do that inside the mod, not inside the engine.
No, that's no, that's fine. No, I think like that's what I think. Like you could use these things more for those specific things, but I still would like hot reloading for the major changes of a whole system or something like that. Hello, Nafik. But yeah, I have to look into how to do it with the STD because it's kind of important to be able to use STD tools always.
Yeah, kind of.
Because if you can't use that, then it's just fucked.
Bro, I'm the master in STD.
Yeah, but
I have all the STDs.
we're gonna catch them all, right?
Yeah, I already have them all.
But I need to figure out, or yeah, how to catch
No,
them.
you
How-
don't.
how to-
I'll figure it out. All right, fantastic.
How to get
So-
okay.
We're doing networking now? Yes. All right, fantastic. So, we will have, let's see.
Wait,
We'll
Right.
just have the local.
you can kind of sidestep the global state thing as long as it is in the external library that you are not hot reloading. Wait, what does that mean? Because I mean,
Yes.
we tried to pass it in as a the stdio, but as a parameter, but that's seg faulted.
bad.
I don't know. I'm trying to kind of like ask AI here.
Okay, can I show?
Yeah, sure.
It works. It works.
It works.
It
You can show.
works.
You can show. You can show. But yeah, like
If Discord opens.
with hot reloading, the STD library seems to fuck up when I try to print because it uses global states, and we tried to pass in the stdio as a parameter to the hot reloadable functions and use it inside there, but it still didn't work. It some crashed, and because it used some other global state. I don't know. Something weird has happened in the print. It
But
used
when
to
you
work.
have but when you make the threaded inside of that, doesn't it work?
Okay, let's try that. Wait, Rolenzo. Oh my god, you're getting a new nickname. Rolenzo.
Rolenzo. Yes. You see, this is the 50 Shades of Grey I was talking
Yeah.
about.
But what?
This is awful.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Okay, show us.
So with this very simple interface you can see here,
Oh.
I can add a function from the engine to the mod.
Wait. Try imports. Okay, so you have that and then add function. Wait. Add function, like you retrieve a function or you're adding. Wait, I'm a bit confused. What's going on?
No, I'm adding a function.
Okay.
I'm adding a function that wasn't.
that was what?
So WASM can call this function.
Okay, so you, okay. So you do
What is the ENV string? What is that for?
What?
env
What is that,
string.
like the ENV. Yeah, what's that for?
No, I didn't understand.
What's
like
the,
when you do
Oh,
add function, you have like
Yeah.
a string here. ENV, yeah, what's that for?
So WASM has modules.
Okay. I see.
Because
So
it comes
that's just a
from
module.
Yes, it's the
Okay.
default for the global stuff.
Right.
It's-
I mean, I think you should use an enum literal here, but alright.
Oh wait. About the hot reloading, elliptic jamhead says that I had the exact same bug. If you don't use Zig x86 backend, it works. What?
Bro, we're talking about the x86 back in today again?
But yesterday was the same thing, but we didn't have the problem because I was using an older version of Zig. But they were probably using already the newer ones, so that's why they complained about it, and I didn't understand. I was like, what are you on about? I never had this problem. Okay, well, yeah, we'll look into it right after Lorenzo. Use LLVM through, just try, man. Alright, we'll do that in a bit. Thank you. Lorenzo, you can continue with
Is the WASM.
yes.
So here I import the function I defined here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's nlog,
Yeah.
which takes two integers, and this is internal for the module, so just two integers.
Wait, is pointer actually I30? Isn't I64?
No, not in WASM.
Okay.
WASM is 42 bits.
Okay.
So there is this is the implementation of the Fibonacci sequence thing.
Wait, where is this now?
And-
Oh. Oh, you mean the STD debug at the bottom? Okay.
And here I have the call to log.
Wait,
Okay.
are you your cursor is stuck on env, or like I don't see if you when you're saying here, where are you pointing?
Is my live stream broken?
Wait, I will re-look at your stream. Yeah, okay, it's still at E and B.
And it's dead.
He died. Okay, now it's at a new place. Yeah, now we see.
So here I'm pushing to the stack 0 and 11. Okay.
Okay.
0 is the first data.
Okay. Yeah.
11 is this parameter. So I push on the stack. I call log, which is defined here as imported. And then I call the Fibonacci sequence.
Okay.
And this print is from Wasm. And this print is from Zig, as you can see here.
Yeah. How is wait, what is that fib dot what? Do you have to do all of your like code through this kind of language? Or is it just
No.
Okay.
Also let me implement it in Zig. So test.
I mean, you can compile like that's just a Wasm bytecode. It's what is it called again though? It's what?
What do you mean?
Right.
Well,
Or?
it's
Yeah. W8.
so I have to do import. No, wait, extern, I think. Extern log ptr e42 e42 void. Do I need the semicolon in Zig? I don't remember. I think so.
You do. So, so wait, you can do it in any language, or is it just language
Yeah.
supported by the VM parser?
Any
Oh.
language that can compile to Wasm.
Okay.
Any
So
language.
Rust and Rust and
Oh,
Rust.
I have to add the check that if it's compiled from Rust compiler, it doesn't work.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
This anti-rust.
I
Okay.
forgot
Yeah.
about that field. It's very important.
Of course.
And then it just says get good when you try to run it.
Yeah, that's the error.
Oh no, poor Helix, because he also likes or uses Rust some time to time, but he's still a SIG user as well. Or Xorbits, I mean. Guys, I cannot remember names.
Yeah, Helix.
Helix.
Guy.
I think something like this.
See, this is why you have LSP, because my mental brain cannot remember these things.
Just that I haven't been using Zig for quite some time now, and I don't remember. Okay, yeah, should be the syntax.
Wait, well,
So-
while you mess around with that, I'm quickly gonna try out the thing that the guy suggested.
Just assume 13 is enough.
This.
Harald. Oh no, Harald did not with us.
No, I'm here. Yes.
You know how can I pass build flags without having a build.zig file?
Right, one sec, I gotta check this also. It's like I can never remember this. Let's see here.
Just check.
But it's like the target. Okay, I think I have it. I can send you the command. Well, I can send it in VC chat if you can get it there.
Okay.
It's
I cannot sneeze, but I need to sneeze.
Was it's something like that, but I gotta check the sig tar. I actually
Thank
don't
you.
remember either.
Okay, let's
Okay, I
see.
found it.
I'm gonna try
Okay, fantastic.
build and then use LLVM. Let's see.
I wouldn't rely on the LLVM though, because it's not staying there. That's for sure.
You know, I just want to see if that actually would fix the problem. That's what I'm mainly curious about. So you're just gonna not fucking hell. Why do I have? Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Now I'm gonna go to systems and then just do a normal std debug print. Hello. Right. Nah, okay, didn't work. That's okay. I did save though how to build the thing, yeah. That's okay. Wait, but wait. No. Okay, that's okay.
Okay.
No, okay. But then I can try systems and we can do
Okay, it works. So this is how you do it from Zig.
wait just a sec. Let me try this. Oh my god, I closed that thing. Okay. Let's see. No, still, okay. Removing cache? Okay, wait, let's see in a bit. Okay. Show us. I'm watching.
So this is the code.
Mm-hmm.
Very simple.
Yes, yes.
And this is how it executes.
Okay, so yeah, you can. And wait, can you go back to the code? Okay, wait, so you use... How do you...
Also, Lorenzo, you can use normal pointers. You don't have to use the C pointer for pointer thing in log. You don't have to well, I don't know. Maybe you're passing in multiple things. But...
Do you pass the log function in, or how does this work to the...
So yeah, I can use multiple pointers. I pass it here. This is how you pass it.
Now it's froze again.
Oh my god. Wait.
Okay. Yeah. So okay. So they're the. Okay. Uh.
Now, this might not be optimal for the syntax because you need to wrap the function in a structure. But as
Yeah.
far
Have
as I
to.
understood, that's how you do it in newer Zig versions.
Well, you
Yeah.
don't have to. You can also just put it outside and then you can pass it in.
Why can't they just add lambda functions?
I guess I don't like the complexity.
Yeah. Like lambda functions are a bit. Even in C++, I don't know. It gets so hard to understand at some point what the what the thing actually does. I mean, that's only. But I guess if you enforce it to look clean, I don't know how we would do that. But in C++, at least, it's like. At some point, it's like it's. I don't know. I've read some weird ass lambda functions. And I'm like, what the fuck?
Well,
Yeah.
okay, we can do it also like this, apparently. I think it's
Yeah.
a bit more clean.
By the way, the add function, like on the imports, do you have control over that?
This.
Nah, like I mean, it's the add function, function on imports.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Because I mean, what I would do probably is instead of doing like comp time module name and having it as a string, I would do it as an enum literal. It's so you can also I mean, it's just more efficient, I would say. Well, looks better. I don't know, like what Sig version are you using?
Master.
Master, okay. Because then you do like at literal like that.
Oh, how does it work? Wait, let me check.
It's easy. It's so you can basically do anything. Like you can put hello world or like it doesn't need to be a part of an actual enum. So an example is std log scope because you can do like let's see here, like that. You see, like a scope, and then you pass in Lucas or like dot Lucas, and it's just like an enum literal. But you can use is it like a name, but it's also just like nicer to look at.
This.
Yeah, and then wherever you would use this as the string, you can do at tag name.
Tag name. Box. Tag name. Here it is.
You're stream for us again though. Yeah. Oh no,
Okay.
it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Now if you go back to the main. Yeah,
So
now instead of doing dotted, yeah, you can just do like dotted NV instead.
this.
Yeah, you can also do same for name, like if you want. It's just architecture. Well, not architecture. It's just like how I would do it, but yeah, you don't have to.
Okay, okay. No, it's good. I like it. It would be even cooler to have these get the function name automatically, but I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, I don't think you can, sadly.
Sad.
Well, actually, wait. Type info. Let's see here. FN. Nah, there's no way of getting the name. Damn. That sucks. I don't know, they should really give us that. I mean, they gave us everything else. So. But yeah, I think it's pretty nice.
So, what else should be? What are the considerations here?
What do you mean with considerations?
So, what I don't like about this implementation is how big it is.
Okay. I guess, yeah.
3,000 lines of code is a bit too much, probably.
Well, I mean, there's some cutting down to do.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. I think it kind of like when you do more, you kind of figure out like ways to improve it as you go.
Also, this.
Why don't I use Godot? Well,
Nice.
we I don't know. I haven't like Godot is it's still like abstract, and I use GD script, which is it kind of like Python like?
Yes, very
I-
like Python.
I don't know. Is Godot?
You can use C#
use to-
or C++ or Go. You can use literally any language. I mean, it's open source.
But is
But,
it?
most
it-
support is GD script.
I think is it object oriented as well, or is it data oriented?
Yes, object.
Is it?
It's like very game and something. Yeah, it's object oriented. You can like how it works is that a script is an object, and you can put a script to be a class, and then your other scripts can inherit from it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's one of the bigger reasons why we don't use. Well, I don't use. I guess also why the other guys in the call don't use Godot. But also
Yeah,
like
I should use Godot, but yeah, no. I use Godot, but I actually fell into the trap of interfaces, bro. I mean inheritance. I mean, like I did like inheritance once, and I was like, yeah, damn, this is like really useful. I mean, it's cool. It was like an interface, and it was just nice and easy. And then I made another interface, and then another one, and then another one, and then I was like, what is even going on here?
Yeah, I mean, one level of interface is still fine, I guess, still. But if you start going deeper than that, then
Two
it's...
is... Yeah, no.
But yeah. Lorenzo, I think, had a question.
Yeah.
Or he didn't? He used to have, not anymore.
Yes.
I was asking whether there are some faults on this. I should change something before implementing it in the engine, or
I think you should make the function name also be enum literal, I think. That's the only thing I have to say.
okay.
Yeah.
Lucas,
I mean,
Sorry?
do you have anything to say about the web engine before?
No, I'm like still trying to figure out if I could get this STD thingy to work in the dynamic libraries.
you can with LLVM.
No, I tried, but I didn't wanna work with LLVM. Use LLVM.
Okay, do it with LLVPEM.
Ah, obviously that.
Yes.
Why didn't I think of that? No, but
Yeah.
it's like I don't know. I didn't get it to work with LLVM either. So sad. Wait, but it's I don't know. Oh, it's getting late though. Like I don't know, I have to wake up early tomorrow.
Yes.
But yeah, that sucks so much. I really would like to get that. Because I don't know, without it it's kind of it is fucked, honestly. I'm gonna try one more time.
Yeah, anyways, I'm probably gonna go to bed. I don't know, are you guys like leaving stream soon or not?
I think we'll be leaving. I will be going right now as well. So
Yeah. Alright. Yes.
so
good night.
we will
Yes, good night.
we'll end it here. See you guys. Thank you for joining. Tomorrow we'll continue on
Yes.
with next step. I think I need to do some planning because yeah. All right. See ya. Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Yes.
Good night.